In Inst 7200 21st Century Learning Environment, I mastered the standard through C1. Visionary Leadership. Technology coaches inspire and participate in development and implementation of shared vision for comprehensive integration of technology to promote excellence and transformational changes through instructional content. Especially Standard 1A. Contribute to the development, communication, and implementation of a shared vision for the comprehensive use of technology to support a digital age education for all students. In this class, we completed a memorandum for record addressing ubiquitous computing as a key fundamental component for positive district outcomes. I also reviewed learning management systems that could be implemented to improve future student learning in our 21st century learning environment. These two products or tools that I developed, a summary and a report for those two topics, were demonstrated the mastery of this course. Also, within our environment of 21st century learning, there are many implementations of different LMS tools that can be utilized for student success.